What's up guys, on this video I will recap my week number 2 as a day trader. If you guys see my previous video, I just started trading last week with real money after paper trading for about 10 months. So I went ahead and deposited 30K in my account. I went ahead with TD Ameritrade. So as of last week, I ended up my account at $30K, $370 with 80 cents. And my goal this week was to clear $1,000, to be at 31K. But it didn't work out that way. So on this video, I will recap and I'll show you maybe a mistake or two that I made. And actually, I had a decent start to the week, but I had 2 red days this week, so I'll go over it on this video. Maybe it could help someone out. Alright guys, so for my second week, I did have a good start to my week. As you could see here, DGAS has been uptrending for like the past week. So most of my trades were on DGAS. I did have a good start. So here we look back on Monday. Okay, we look at here on Monday. I did see DGAS downtrending in the the start of market open. So I jumped on the trade thinking it was gonna start uptrending, but I saw it getting rejected over here. There was some previous resistance here. So once I saw it getting rejected, it went up again and then got rejected again. I just got out of the trade. So that was pretty much a wash. And on you guys, I did take 2 trades. So I took a trade over here. I caught the bottom. And then I probably should have had hold on to this, but I just wanted to take some profits. And then I saw it go up. It just flew from there. So I missed out. I think it was almost 4%. So when it came back down, I did jump on it again, and I was able to get a small trade as well. So for Monday, I made $137 with 55 cents. Like I said, I'm trading with 10K. So I'm just focusing on being green and making at least 1% a day. So that would be about 1.3% for the day. So that was my Monday, which was good. On Tuesday, I did have another good day. So in pre-market, I saw you guys making new highs. So when it sold off, I thought it would try to come back. So I did take a trade pre-market, and once I got in, I saw it getting rejected by the SMA. It came back down. It got rejected here again. And then once it went back up, I just wanted to get out. I didn't want to write this down, so that was pretty much a wash. And then on DGAS, I did make a couple trades on DGAS. I caught the bottom of this here. And same thing here. I think I was able to make over 1% there, but I missed out on over 2%. But it's okay. And then when it came back down, I scalped it again for just a small scalp. And then, one of my rules when I was paper trading was not to take any trades after 1 o'clock. So I did feel like DGAS was gonna uptrend towards the end of the day and try to hit, you know, highs of days again, which it did, but I didn't want to take a trade after 1 o'clock, so I just called it a day. I made $157.61 that day, so that would be around 1.5%. So that was on that was Tuesday. So I was up already like $300, almost 3% for 2 days. And then we go on to Wednesday. All right, so on Wednesday, same thing. You know, I saw DGAS uptrending pre-market. Once it sold off, I jumped on it again, thinking it was gonna start uptrending, but it didn't. It got rejected here, so I just went ahead and sold. Then I tried getting back in, got rejected again, so it sold off. So what I've been noticing is usually when the stock is like up, the ETF is uptrending pre-market, it sells off when market opens, and then it tries to come back. So these two trades were not that great. You guys, I did take some decent trades, but I didn't take my full position. I think these were like $3,000 trades, or $3,000 to $5,000 trades. So I wasn't able to make much that day. I think I ended up the day with like $45. So on Wednesday I didn't make much. And then on Thursday, there's a natural gas report that comes out 1 hour after market opens. So on Thursday, I did buy into DGAS. I saw DGAS uptrending pre-market, and then once it came back down, I bought for a small scalp. And then I didn't want to hold for the report because you never know if it's gonna go up or down. So I sold right before the report. I was able to make a little bit of money here. And then when the report came out, DGAS shot up. And it was like, it went up so much that I didn't know it was gonna keep uptrending, or it was gonna come back down. So I did try to take a position. I think it was either here or here, but I didn't get filled. So after that, once I saw it getting rejected once, twice, I thought I was gonna do it again, so I took a position here. So this is my first day, my first red day of week 2, which it's I broke my rules. You know, like I said, one of my rules was not to trade after 1 o'clock, and I just wanted to get into a trade, you know, and I feel like I forced this trade. I thought it was gonna try to test previous highs again, so I jumped in on DGAS, which was a few minutes before 1 o'clock, and it worked against me. So it just started, it got rejected, it starts just going down. Once I saw that it broke this support, I sold my position, and that day I ended up the day on the red for $54.90. And then obviously next morning, DGAS shot up a good 8% from where it closed. So yeah, so that was Thursday, and I didn't take any positions on you guys. I saw it, you know, downtrending, and I didn't want to get caught and have it sell off more, so I didn't take any positions on you guys. And then on Friday, so on Friday, same thing. I saw DGAS uptrending pre-market, all pre-market uptrending. So I thought it would bounce off the previous resistance. So I took a position right here. Once I saw it getting rejected, it got rejected once, got rejected twice. So I was green twice. I was able to get out green, but I was so I felt like so confident that DGAS was gonna go up that I decided to hold. And then once I saw it break support and then get rejected here, I just sold my position. If I would have been more patient, I would have been able to get in DGAS somewhere down here. I should have waited for it to start making higher lows, and then all I would have had to take is one position for that day. So that day I actually lost $87, so a little bit under 1%. So for week 2, I ended up with my account at 30,565 with 75 cents. My goal for this coming week is still gonna be to hit to get up to 31,000. So I only need about $435. So I'm gonna try to play it safe and not to trade after 1 p.m. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, so for week 3, I'm gonna try to take more trades pre-market. It seems like every time one of these is uptrending, it keeps uptrending all pre-market. So if the opportunity presents itself, then I'll just go ahead and take the trade. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna be focusing on just clearing that $1,000 first. So that's gonna be the goal for this week. So overall, I ended up the week green. My goal for this coming week is it's gonna be to clear that 31,000. I do want to build myself a cushion before I start making trades with more money. So I do want to make at least like $2,000 or $3,000 so I could start scaling up to $15,000 trades. So we'll see how week 3 goes, and obviously I'm gonna concentrate on just clearing 31K. We'll see how that goes, and I'll do my recap now next week. Thanks for watching, guys.